Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Daily Outlook. In today's Daily Outlook, I'm going to be discussing some of the major currency pairs alongside the DXY. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. As per usual, we're going to start off by analyzing the DXY. What can we see and what can we expect? Well, the DXY is moving in this consolidative manner back down towards the downside. If I draw in this structural line and this other structural line, we can see that we're moving within this descending channel towards the downside in a corrective manner. So why am I saying corrective manner? Well, when price moves in a corrective manner, it's really hard to catch any trades. In the market, we have impulsive and corrective price movements, and we always want to be in the market when those impulsive movements come. So impulsive movements always come after corrective movements. That's why I'm currently just waiting and setting the DXY out. I'm going to be waiting for an impulse either towards the upside with a retest of structure to see a further upside move, or I really want to see the DXY just tank down underneath this major swing low, then retest that low, and then we're going to see more downside due to the fact that we're officially going to be in a downtrend. So we need to break this low at 91.3 before we're really in a downtrend. And yeah, if we see an impulse out of this corrective channel, retest of structure, let me just draw in my zone for you guys over here. So if we then see a retest of structure, we're definitely going to see some more upside. With the DXY discussed, let's head over to AUDCAD. AUDCAD hasn't been doing much, to be honest. As we can see, we broke out of this trend line. After that, we saw a retest of previous structure. However, as I said in last week's Daily Outlook, I was waiting for that double bottom on this low over here. However, we never got that bullish confirmation that I wanted. So we started moving further towards the downside. And now what have we done? Well, we took out the other swing low at 0.95464. What happened? Well, we took out all the stop losses which were placed underneath this major swing low over here. And we retested the trend line to perfection. I'm currently expecting more upside on this pair, back up towards the upside. And now you may wonder, well, how can I then trade this pair? Well, then you have to go down to the lower time frame. So for instance, look at the 1 hour time frame, draw in a structure line over here. And then what you want to see is a break of that structure line. So a strong impulse with a break of structure. So let's say take out this high up here at 0.96. Then retest structure, and then wait for the next impulse towards the upside and try to position yourself at structure at 0.96. So expecting more upside on AUDCAD. We could see more downside, however, there's just too much in favor of more upside, hence why I will not personally be looking for any shorts at the moment. So with AUDCAD discussed, let's head over to Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen has been moving pretty consolidative, just like the DXY. Nothing really clear to take any trades on. So we are situated in this downtrend movement. We broke this trend line over here, or structure line. Let me just adjust it for you guys like this. So we broke that structure line, as we can then see if you were to draw in a fib level over here. We just made that 0382 fib retracement. And after that, we saw a downward spike. And now once again, we're seeing some downward movement. However, it seems as if price has found support over here. What do we need next? Well, we need to see a break off that level, so a strong impulse, at least back towards the downside. However, we have an area of consolidation over here where there are going to be orders within the market. I'm not really looking to position myself within Aussie Yen. The only way in which I would like to position myself is if we break structure over here, break towards the downside, retest that structure, and then get bearish confirmation up here. So really looking to take out this major low over here at 82.340 or 82.280 or 82.300. Yeah, take out that major swing low over here, retest that low, and then position myself on bearish confirmation. Aussie Yen is just too consolidative and too rangy for me at the moment to position myself for a nice short. So with Aussie Yen discussed, let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is, to be honest, kind of the same. It mainly has to do with the fact that the DXY is also moving in this corrective manner. So as soon as the DXY breaks out, I'm expecting some good movements within the market. We currently have this structure line towards the downside, which we need to break if we want to see any nice impulsive moves. If we go back down to the lower time frame, to the 1 hour, we have this area of reversal where we're currently in, and we made this double bottom. So I am maybe going to expect some more movement towards the upside on this pair if we were to break out of structure over here. How would this look like? Well, break of structure over here, probably take out these highs. But we could also only take out this high over here or this high over here. But the best would be if we were also to break this high up here, then retest of one of the 3 of the structures to then see more upside. Maybe just retest this ascending previous trend line of the 4 hour and then see more downside. However, yeah, not really interesting at the moment. We really need to see some impulsive movements within the market before we're going to be able to position ourselves. So yeah, nothing at the moment on pound dollar, just waiting for a nice impulsive move towards the upside. The other option, of course, would be if we see nice impulsive move towards the downside, retest of structure, and then bearish confirmation to take a short further towards the downside. However, pound dollar is just moving really consolidative and really corrective, made a double bottom, and it is in a reversal area, hence why I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing some more upside on this pair. So with pound dollar discussed, let's head over to my last pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And there isn't much to say for Kiwi dollar, to be honest. If we look at the 4 hour, it says it all. Just moving in a range between the 2 highs and the low. So we have this area of the high at 0.70711, and we have this low at 0.70200, 0.70100. Yeah, what do we need? We need a breakout. So breakout, retest of structure, more upside. Breakout to the low, retest of structure, and we're going to see more downside. It's just a waiting game, to be honest. Just waiting for it to break out. Nothing really more to be said. Just going to be waiting for what is next. So breakout of structure, retest of structure, and then a nice impulse towards the downside on the bullish or bearish confirmation. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you have any requests regarding any specific pairs that you would like me to analyze for you, just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys.